Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So it's almost dinner time and I feel like eating paneer today. So let's make paneer butter masala with us.
In mustard oil, take some onions, some roughly chopped tomatoes, add red chilies, coriander sticks, and some green chilies. Add some ginger and garlic, and here I am adding some more minced garlic. Now keep stirring it until everything softens. It will take around 8 to 10 minutes for the onions and tomatoes to become soft. Now add some jeera, some salt, turmeric, red chili powder, some coriander powder. Now add some soaked cashews. So adding cashews will give you the texture that is very similar to the one that you get in restaurants. And this is one of my most favorite paneer sabzis that I make at home. So please do give this a try, and before that don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Now add these spices mentioned on the screen and just give it a good stir for 1 or 2 minutes, and now it's time to turn the flame off. Now wait for 10 to 15 minutes for this mixture to get cooled down, and once it's cold you can grind it. Don't add water to it because you need this creamy thick paste. Now take some curd, add some red chili powder, some turmeric and some coriander powder and give it a good mix. Now here I have taken Brar's Malai Paneer. I've cut it into cubes and now I'm frying it in some butter. Now my paneer is ready and I'm adding the paste that we made to it. Now add some curd and give it a good mix. You can also add some water if you think that the paste is very thick. Now add some kasuri methi and coriander and we are done with this restaurant style paneer butter masala. Do try this recipe at home and I'm sure you'll love it. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and I'll see you next time. Bye.